Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to register the Credit People account on PC. Credit People helps you rise your credit score and improve your reports through credit report scores. To register the Credit People account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.thecreditpeople.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of the Credit People. Now here you can see Get Started option. Click on Get Started option. With this, you'll be taken to the registration page. Now to register, you need to enter all the information required on the fields. First, enter your verifiable email address on the given box. Then enter your first name on the given box. With this, enter your last name on the given box. Then enter your phone number. After this, you need to create your password. So enter your password on the given box. Make sure your password contains at least 8 characters, at least one special character, one uppercase, one lowercase letter, and one number. Then re-enter your password on the given box. After doing so, once view through terms and conditions, then click on the box stating I agree to terms and condition. Similarly, look for all the terms and condition, as by clicking on next step you agree to all those terms and condition. With this, after entering all the information, click on next step. Now, here you need to verify your email address. You need to check your email. An activation email will be sent to your email address. So check your email inbox and then open the mail. With that, now here click here to activate your account option. With this, now you'll be taken to another page and then here your account will be activated. With this, you'll be able to register the Credit People account. Now, after you register your account, you need to complete your order in order to activate all the services of the Credit People. So scroll down, then enter the address line 1 on the given box. Address line 2 is an optional choice. After this, enter your city on the given box. Then enter your state on the given box. Now enter your zip code on the given box. With this, scroll down. Now here you need to select a package that you want to purchase. You can see the amount that it charges. You can also see the amount of services provided on the type of membership. With this, now click on select option to select the membership package. I am going on with standard membership. After this, you need to enter your credit card information for your payment. Now click to securely add your credit card. Now here you will securely add your credit card. You need to enter all your card information, including your card number, your CVV, your expiry date of your credit card. For your convenience, payment information will remain on file throughout your service and up to 90 days after completion. Then if you have a promo code, then you can click on have a promo code option. After this, you need to enter your date of birth on the given box. First select your month, then select your day, and then select your year of birth. After this, you need to enter your social security number on the given box. With this, now you need to click on the option of complete my order. By clicking on complete my order, you accept all the terms and conditions of the Credit People. After you complete your order, you'll be able to use all the services of the Credit People. This is how we can register the Credit People account on PC. This is it for tutorial, everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.